Let's learn the key of C using the numbering system from 1 up to 7, right? Let's learn the scale in the key of C. So you have your 1, you have a 2, you have a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like I said, I'm using the numbering system from 1 to 7, right? Yeah, that makes the communication easier. But I know some, it goes like this, gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3. No, but it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that was with our left hand, 1 up to 7, right? And then when you go back, it's just 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is for beginners, and I'm using 1 up to 7 to make it easier for you, right? And then now, when we add our left hand, right, I'm gonna be playing the tri keys using your 3 fingers on your right hand. Let's first look at that 1 up to 7 with the right hand, and then from there we're gonna be using both hands, and then after then we'll maybe do 1 or 2 simple songs form song progression using this same chords that we are learning in the key of C. So this is gonna be your 1, so 1, so 2, and then you're looking at a 3, this is your 4, and let's go to 5, this is your 5, let's go to 6, and the last one for this lesson you're going to 7, so 7, so 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again with only my right hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's use both hands now. That's your 1, and then your 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on 5 now. This is a 5, 5, and then 6, and then 7. All right. I hope this method works for you, right? But yeah, this is what has been working for me. We just learned 1 up to 7. So this, I hope it helps you. And then now, let's see how we can use these chords that we just learned to form a song, right? Let's do, one of, the simple songs, that, I hope everyone that knows I'm thinking that we can do Our God is an Awesome God, right? Let's do Our God is an Awesome God. It's gonna go like this, starting from 4. Our God is an awesome God. Okay, let me not add the invasions as yet. 4, 1, 5, 6, 4. Yes. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wings, wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Right? So I was using 4, 1, 3, 5, 6 to play the progression of this song, right? Okay, I hope this helped you to learn, the basic key, the starting point of your journey to learning, your keyboard in the key of C.